So my husband was gone for about a week. And he comes home tonight. It's Friday night. And he brings home the RV to work on it this weekend because we'd like to start camping again. It's been in the shop for over 3 months with no repairs done. Well, maybe a few, but let's go see what he's been doing since he's been home. Coming in and check on you. Oh dear. As usual, has everything tore apart,
Hello.
but makes wonderful things.
Just can't leave well enough alone. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, Tires on the Road. Today we are going to be taking the two lights over the stove, installing a switch so that these come on and off with one switch, and we're also going to be changing out these lights to a warmer color, a warmer tone, and dimmable so we can add a little ambiance. We're also going to do the one over the coffee bar. We're going to be adding a switch to these. I'm going to show you how I do that. So hope you stick around for this video because it's going to be a good video if you want to know how to install a switch on the lights over your stove. First thing you need to do is remove this catch for the drawer here. That'll allow the drawer to be able to be removed. Next thing is removing the drawer. You pull the drawer all the way out. There's a plastic tab right here. See this? You lift this one up, you push the other one down on the other side, and this drawer slides right out of this track right here. We'll push these in for safety, get them out of our way, and then this bottom door right here, to make it easier to work, you can remove this door. There's two screws. There's a screw on the top and a screw on the bottom. So we also needed to remove the fireplace because the power supply that comes in behind this drawer here. You'll have to remove this drawer to be able to get to the behind the stove. The power comes in, it goes to the stereo, it comes back out, it goes up to the light on the left side of the stove, it goes back down, it comes up behind the oven and the stove and powers the stove. And then it goes back down over and comes up and powers the light on the right side of the stove. There's also a fake panel back here that you have to remove to be able to get access to those wires. There's two screws, one on each corner. Something you might notice as well is we moved that panel back to give us more room or in this compartment. Before it was about 8 inches back or 6 inches back. These are the two new wires right here. Actually, the two existing wires that were the power that come up to here and over and to the switch and then back down and ties into the light that goes up this wall and goes across behind the stove and ties into the light on the right side of the stove. Due to movie magic, the switch is in. The new lights are mounted, and these are dimmable. And they also have a blue night light with them. So you click it on, you hold your finger on there, and the light will dim. It stays at that setting. I turn it off with the switch, turn it back on, and it stays at that dimmer setting.
Oh, that's going to be so nice watching TV and just a little ambient.
Mood lighting.
Nice.
Now you don't have to turn each one on individually. The switch is right here. And I could turn those both on and off with one switch, which is totally cool. These new light fixtures, I went with a warm color light because that matches my LED lighting I installed. We did over the galley, the coffee bar, and the two in the master bedroom.
The same lights, but in the master. Oh, that's kind of cool.
Make sure you speak up a little bit.
So a little night light if I need it, or a reading light. Dimmable. Oh, I like that. And then off, or blue. Okay, that's pretty cool.
Thanks for watching this episode of Tires on the Road. Our next video coming up, we visit the Renogy, which is the lithium battery and accessory company, in Ontario, California at their West Coast Distribution Center. And they gave us a special tour of a new product that they're coming out with that is a plug-and-play energy management system for off-the-grid living. So don't forget to catch that video. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it. Leave a comment down below, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you next week.